Next, administrative menu. Here in Linux, click on System and then you can see the administrative menu. First select the authentication. Now open the authentication configuration window. By using this window you can set the different type of authentication mode. NIS, LDAP, SIOAD and WinBind. There are authentication modes. Authentication is the first option in administrative menu. Second, date and time. Now open the date and time configuration window. Here you can set date. You also set the NTP. NTP stands for Network Time Protocol, and time zone. Press OK for close the configuration windows. In administrative menu, you also set the display. Now open the display setting window. By default 800 multiply 600 resolution. You also set the colors. Open the dialog box for display changes. Then you also set the kdump. Just click for enable the kdump. You also set the kdump crash location file. Also change in kdump memory. Kdump is a crash mechanism. Next, you also set the keyboard and language. In administrator, you also set the LVM, login screen, user profiles, networks. LVM stands for the logical volume management. You also set the user profile. You also set the network. You also set the printer. And next, root password. Suppose if you want to change the root password, just click on root password. Now open the root password windows and set the password. Now your root password is changed. Next, you also set the security level and firewall. Security level and firewall is a security feature in Linux. Now open the security level configuration window. Here you can set the two type of security, firewall and SE Linux. SE Linux stands for the security enhanced Linux. By default firewall in enable mode. You also set in disable. You also set the SE Linux basic Here you can see list of messages. You also set the cron file, mail log file, message log file, secure log file, x.org log file, and error log file. In log viewer, you can read this type of log file. Next, you also set the system monitoring. Just click on system monitor. Now open the system monitoring windows. Here you can monitoring on our system performance. You also monitoring our CPU. Here preference has a accessibility option. Second is the more preference option. Here more preference option has contained lot of item. One item is the power management. Click on power management. Now open the power management window. Here you can set the AC power